Hi! If you have a sun catcher that breaks, take the pieces, like I did, and turn them into a Sun Twinkle Angel. It's so pretty and so easy. Join me, we'll have some fun making some. Hi, this is Tweek. Today we're going to make Sun Twinkle Angels. This was a funny one in how it came about. I had some very pretty Suncatcher flowers that hung in my windows. I had 3 of them, and one of them broke. Well, they're just very pretty, so I thought I can make use of those, and here's what I did. The supplies we need are right here. We need 3 of the bodies, which are the Suncatcher pieces. We need 3 beads for the head, 3 pieces for the angel wings, 3 pieces for the crown, and we need 2 bead caps per piece. These are bead caps, and then an extra little bead on the top. And then we need a plier, and we need a curler plier, and that is it. So let me start making one. We'll take the 3-inch pin, and we're going to push it sideways into the Suncatcher, and then what I'm going to do is bend that up. So now it's hanging there like an L shape, but I'm going to use the plier to bend that up. So now you have a hook, and that is not going to go anywhere. And then we just start building. Next comes the bead cap, which you're going to put that on, and that will rest. Think of it as a collar, and it helps to hide that little piece that's on the hook shape we just made with the pin. Very, very simple. Next comes the bead head, and after that comes, oh wait a minute, it looks like we need to put the angel wings on first. Those are cute. Then the head. There we go. Then we need another, nope, the crown, another bead cap by putting it upside down instead of the way I used it the first time, and then the remaining bead, if I can get it on there. And there you have it. To finish it off, I'm going to use about a finger's worth, my finger, maybe not quite an inch. I'm going to snap off the excess off the pin. Then I'm going to use this tool to curl it under. And all I've got left to add is my lanyard. And we just hook it up onto here, and it will hang down. And then you can hang that wherever you'd like to hang it. And the window is really pretty. Wish you could see the sparkle in the sunshine. It's just so pretty. And just to make sure that hook doesn't come undone, I'm going to give it a little squeeze. And there we have one. Let's make another. Let's shake it up a little bit. I'm going to use another base from the flowers I took apart and use the same pin. And I'm going to go ahead and bend this up straight, and then that's sticking out. I'm going to pinch that up close as I can to the piece. There it goes. And now it's hanging there securely. Now I'm going to add a different head. Actually, let's put the bead cap on first. That acts like a little collar. Cute. You can bend that around. It helps to hide that little piece there. It makes it look like it's a part of the bead cap. And we'll add a head, a different color head. This one's a little more opaque. It's going to be pretty. I'm going to take another bead cap. Got lots of bead caps, and put that on there. That's where we are. And we're going to add a crown. Oh, wait a minute. Well, okay. We're going to add a crown. Another bead cap. This one's a little fancier, but I didn't put wings on this one. Is that okay? It sure is, because that is so pretty. And some of them I made without wings, and some I made with wings. I'm going to take off some of that excess pin, and I'm going to curl it down. meet up with the base. And I'm going to add a lanyard hook. Okay, and then to ensure that it stays in place, I'm going to give that a tuck so that the pin stays tight. And there you have another pretty one. Isn't that a pretty angel? This time we have the same little piece that came off of the Suncatcher flower. I'm going to push the pin in there. Same process here. Tip that up. Squeeze that end in towards the jewel. And what are we going to do this time? Let's put another bead cap because I like the way that looks like a little collar. I'm going to add wings to this one. Wings, very cute. Not reflective, but very pretty. Now I'm going to add the head. Let's see what it looks like if we put the head in a different direction. Put the bead, aha, a different look. I like that. And then I'm going to put a little capper on the head. Bead cap, trying to find the center hole. There it is. Oh, now this one's really cute. Now we're going to add the crown. I call it the crown. And another bead cap, which just adds a little more ornamentation to the crown. And then one more bead. Hold it all together. Oh, wow, that might be the fanciest one yet. Isn't that pretty? Now I'm going to cut off the excess pin. I guess I've got about an inch there, not quite. Just enough so that you can curl around the top of the pin so you have a place to put the lanyard hook. Let's curl it around. That's a nice tool. Makes it so easy. And I'm going to put on the lanyard hook first, then I'm going to crimp it. Hook. That's so pretty. And crimp. And good. These are so pretty when you hang them in a window. And there you have a little Sun Twinkle Angel. Isn't that pretty? And all made from recycled Suncatcher. Hi, Outro, you're here. We made a very simple project this week. We made a Sun Twinkle Angel out of things we had kicking around the house. Isn't that pretty? It's really pretty when you see it hanging in the window when the sun shines through. But anyways, if you like what you've seen here today, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment. I really would like to hear how does it shine for you in your window, a Sun Twinkle Angel. And then what do we say?
See you next time.